Welcome to Tutoring by Matthew, where we use a unique and personalized approach to help students excel in math and science academics. This is our website, tutoringbymatthew.com. Here, students and parents can find any number of resources to help keep them engaged and master difficult content. In this video demonstration, we'll see how to schedule a lesson with any one of our private tutors. First, click on the tab titled Meet with Matthew and scroll down. We offer two options for private tutoring. You can either schedule a traditional one-on-one tutoring session using Zoom software, or if you are located in the Tucson area, you can schedule an in-person tutoring session. Let's see what this option has to offer. This screen shows a calendar with available time slots for the current month. All of our tutoring sessions run for 50 minutes. Next, you want to make sure that you are choosing your own time zone to schedule the lesson. Otherwise, there may be issues with scheduling. If you need to change your selection for type of tutoring, you can click here or press the back button. Then simply choose the date you want to receive help. Then choose from the available times to the right of this monthly calendar and press Continue. On this screen, you will provide the relevant information required to finish booking your private tutoring session. You can see your meeting type, pricing, session type, and the time here. In the field that says student name, type the name you would like to be called in emails and tutoring sessions. Next, provide the email where you want to receive booking notifications as well as relevant lesson materials for your session. This is also the email where your confirmation email will be sent once payment is made. Then, provide the phone number where we can reach you in case of scheduling issues or technical errors. Click the drop-down list to choose your country code. You can also leave any comments you think are necessary in this field. Finally, the attachment field is the place where you can browse your computer files and upload the relevant questions or problems you would like to work on during your tutoring session. It's okay if you don't have this information yet. You can also reply to the booking email with any homework or attachments that you want to work on. Then click Next. There are two options for payment. You can either enter your debit or credit card information directly or use PayPal. Either way, your information is secure and encrypted. Note that you don't actually need a PayPal account to use PayPal. Simply click on the link and choose Login with a one-time code to process your payment. Once the payment is processed, you will see a screen that says your booking has been confirmed. Then check your email and make sure that the information is correct. If there is anything that needs to be changed or you did not receive the booking confirmation email, please contact us either by phone, text, or email as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and happy studying.